Public speaking is something many people will need to do at least occasionally in their lives, whether it is a one-sentence comment or a longer speech. Yet for many, there are roadblocks that can make it very difficult, even terrifying, to speak in front of a large audience. This series will present some useful, bite-sized tips that anyone can use to improve your public speaking, wherever that may be. It is hoped that it will help you gain confidence and improve your overall experience. Not everyone has a big, booming voice, but how do actors, motivational speakers, and others make themselves heard clearly, even to the back of a room? We wouldn't be able to have a voice without air. We inhale it into our lungs and then push it out again through our vocal cords, then up through our mouths. We all know how that goes. But if you tend to be looking downward when speaking, not only are you not making eye contact with the people you're speaking to, you are also not making the best use of that air you're expelling. Imagine your trachea, the windpipe, like a piece of hose. When you are looking down while speaking, it becomes bent, which constricts your airflow. This results in your voice being a bit muffled and may not be heard by everyone, especially since what sound is coming out is being directed downward rather than outward. Try speaking with your head up. This will allow the air to come out much more freely, louder, and will also give you more of an air of confidence, if you'll pardon the pun. Let's try an exercise. Stand with hands at your side, facing forward, looking straight ahead. Now take in a breath, and then say "ah" at a volume suitable for if you were trying to speak to a room full of people. Ah. Notice how loud and clear your voice sounds. Now, try it again, but this time, halfway through, look downward. Ah. You may find that as you look down, your volume dipped a little, and you may also have felt more resistance to the air as it escaped through your trachea. Try it one more time, and this time, reverse the steps. Start by looking down, and then midway through, look up. You likely noticed that as you raised your head, the air came out more freely and your voice got louder. Many people in their everyday speaking voice tend to speak by pushing air from the middle of the chest. This may be fine when you are speaking one-on-one in close proximity to another person, but it tends not to work as well for larger audiences. Your diaphragm is the part of the body that sits just below the lungs. It is a powerful muscle that can help push air up and out from the lungs. When you're speaking to an audience, try to use your diaphragm to push the air out more forcefully. Don't hurt yourself, just concentrate on using it to give your voice that extra oomph when speaking. It can make a huge difference. Let's try an exercise, though you may want to warn anyone nearby that you will be making noises. Stand with your hands at your side, facing forward, looking straight ahead. Now, take in a breath and then push from your diaphragm and let out a loud "hoo." Try and get a sense of where that air is being pushed from. Push it not from the middle of your chest, but down lower. Now, do the same, but this time say "ha." Notice that when you do these exercises, your voice bursts out and carries much further. Try practicing speaking regular sentences, but be aware of where that air is coming from, and make it come from the diaphragm. Next episode, we'll see how you can improve lazy enunciation. Hope you found today's public speaking tip useful and inspiring. The best way to make use of this tip, and to get better at public speaking, of course, is to just do it. Practice, practice, and practice.